Buddha quotes on love, wisdom for the heart. Buddha's teaching on love are profound and timeless, offering insight that can transform our understandings of compassion, empathy, and genuine connection. Here we delve into some of his most powerful quotes of love, exploring their meaning and how they can be applied to our lives. You yourself, as much as anybody in the entire universe, deserve your love and affection. Buddha's emphasis on self-love is pivotal. Often we are our harshest critics, constantly judging ourselves against impossible standards. This quote reminds us that self-compassion is not just beneficial but essential. By recognizing our own worth and treating ourselves with kindness, we build a strong foundation for extending love to others. In the end, only three things matter: how much you loved, how gently you lived, and how gracefully you let go of things not meant for you. This quote encapsulates the essence of life well lived according to Buddha. Love is an ultimate measure of our existence. Living gently refers to moving through life with grace, compassion, and mindfulness, affecting others positively. Letting go gracefully signifies the wisdom in understanding that clinging to things, people, or situations that are not meant for us only brings suffering. This detachment is not about indifference but about recognizing and accepting the natural flow of life. Hatred does not cease by hatred but only by love. This is the internal rule. This transformative power of love is highlighted here. In time of conflict, it's easy to respond with anger and hatred, perpetuating a cycle of negativity. Buddha teaches that love is an antidote to hatred. By responding to hostility with compassion and understanding, we can break this cycle and promote peace. This principle is challenging but essential for personal and collective healing. Radiate boundless love towards the entire world, above, below, and across, unhindered, without ill, without enmity. This quote encourages us to practice universal love, extending our compassion beyond our immediate circle to all beings. Boundless love is unconditional and impartial, fostering a sense of unity and interconnectedness. By letting go of judgment and biases, we can contribute to a more harmonious and compassionate world. Thousands of candles can be lit from a single candle, and the life of the candle will not be shortened. Happiness never decreases by being shared. Love and happiness multiply when shared. This quote teaches us that our capacity for love is limitless. Sharing love and happiness with others does not diminish our own but rather enhances it. This principle encourages generosity of spirit, reminding us that acts of kindness and compassion can create a ripple effect, spreading joy far and wide. Just as a mother would protect her only child with her life, so should one cultivate a boundless love towards all beings. This selfless love of a mother for her child is the highest form of compassion and care. Buddha advises us to extend this same level of unconditional love to all beings. This means valuing and protecting others' well-being as we would our own, fostering a deep sense of empathy and solidarity. If you truly love yourself, you could never hurt another. This quote underscores the connection between self-love and compassion for others. When we genuinely love and respect ourselves, we naturally extend that love and respect to others. Harming another becomes inconceivable because we recognize the inherent worth and dignity of all beings. True love is born from understanding. Understanding is the foundation of true love. It involves seeing beyond superficial differences and connecting with others on a deeper level. This requires patience, empathy, and active listening. By striving to understand others, we can build stronger, more meaningful relationships based on genuine love and respect. As rain falls equally on the just and the unjust, do not burden your heart with judgments, but rain your kindness equally on all. This quote advises us to practice impartial kindness. Just as rain nourishes all without discrimination, we should extend our compassion and kindness to everyone, regardless of their actions or circumstances. This approach fosters a more inclusive and accepting world free from the burdens of judgment and resentment. Love is a gift of one's innermost soul to another so both can be whole. Love is the deepest form of connection, uniting souls and fostering a sense of completeness. When we give love from the depth of our being, we not only enrich the lives of others but also experience profound fulfillment and wholeness ourselves. This quote highlights the transformative power of love in creating unity and harmony.